We continue learning Amud Yomi Gemara and Shabbos Daf Mem Dalid Amud Aleph, and we pick it up from the Mishnah on Mem Dalid Amud Aleph. Teaches the Mishnah Metal the Ner Chodesh Avlo Yashin. You're allowed to move a new ner, but not an old ner. Rabbi Shimon Oimer Kol Haneros Metal Tlin Chutz Miner Adoli B'Shabbos, except a ner that actually burning. Which brings us and brings out what the first part of the Mishnah is talking about. That we're talking about Ner Chadash, Ner Yasha. I'm not talking about a candle that's lit. We're talking about the actual receptacle. That a Ner Chadash is not disgusting, but a Ner Yashan, it's used, it's grimy, it's greasy, it becomes muksa. Says the Gemara Tan Rabbanim about the Ner Chadash Aval Yasha the Rabbi Yehuda. Rabbi Meir Oimer Kol Haneros Mital Chos Min Haner Shadlik B'Shabbos. Rav Shimon Aimer Chos Min Haner Hadoylik B'Shabbos. So Rav Meir says a candle that was lit. Shimon says a candle that is lit. So once it goes out, says Rav Shimon, what's l'taltla? Aval koisu kair v'ashashis, a very important rule, a cup, a bowl, a beaker, a little flask. Lo yazizem mekoimi, never let him move them, even after the fire goes out. Rav Shimon Aimer mistabim min haner hakava. You're allowed to take oil directly from a lamp that is going out. Or from oil that is dripping from the lamp, even while the lamp is burning. So we have a bunch of different shitas. Firstly, when you're allowed to move the lamp, whether it's only while it's burning, even after it goes out. And now concludes the Braisa, you're allowed to take oil from such a lamp, or from oil that is dripping from the lamp. Says the Gemara, Rav Shimon holds like his father Rav Shimon in one thing and argues in one. Clearly, Rav Shimon doesn't hold the muksa. But Shimon held only after the fire went out, then it's now muksa. Then you're allowed to take away the oil. But Rav Shimon is even allowing you to loy kava, which of course is a big chiddush, because seemingly as you would be taking the oil out of the lamp, you would at some level be extinguishing the fire. Lamaisa, says the Gemara, that's not the Rav Shimon argues. Says the Gemara, let's understand what we just said. Aval, in the Braisa that we just quoted, smack in the middle of Memdalam at Aleph, why are these items not allowed to be moved? We just said a ner kidiyas be moved. And now, of course, Karashashas cannot. Amar Ula, Seif Asa on the Rabbi Yehuda. This part of the Braisa is going in the sheet of Rabbi Yehuda that says you're not allowed to move any form of lamp, whereas Rav Shimon allows us to move a kaisa kair nashashis once the fire goes out. What's aval? Aval means it's the same person. If it's different shitas, there's no aval. Rav Shimon, you're right, it is Rav Shimon. But when did Rav Shimon, when was he mekel chikashay Rav Shimon? When was Rav Shimon mekel to move the candle after the fire goes out? Bener zuta de daita aluye, because says Rav Shimon, if it was a small light, then for your das was, when the light goes out, I want to move it. Avalahani did a fishy lie, but a ner, a kaisa kair nashashis, it's a big flame. There's no das on that, and therefore it is muksa. So we're seeing over here, of course, we know that muksa goes by ben hashmashais, and we know the rules of migu diskatzai, but this is the Gemara. So within the Gemara's Vachlekes Tanaim and Arayim, what level do you take your das off of such a candle? Says Marzucham, fascinating chiddush. It depends on the type of candle. If it's a little flame, you know it's going to go out. So therefore you're allowed to use it. If it's a large flame, then you're not allowed to. Ask the Gemara 1 second about Tanya. But we learned in a Braisa. Also, Rav Shimon Matir. So Rav Shimon, even in the Kais Kair Nashashis, even in the large flame, Rav Shimon is allowing you to use it. But you just told me Rav Shimon is only making a small flame. Says the Gemara, Hasam Kaira Dum Yudinher. That's a kaira similar to an air. It's a small guy. A kaira dumya de kois. And that's going to be the chilek. And we conclude, Amar Rav Zera, 2 lines from the white lines, teaches Rav Zera. Pamoit. Pamoit is a candlestick. Shalika by Shabbos delivery amatir oiser, according to one who allows you to move a nair that was once upon a time moved. It's aser to move the pamoit. Devir oiser mutter. Explains the Gemara. When it was disgusting, like we began the Mishnah, a ner yashan is mos, it's grimy, it's greasy, it's gross. Therefore, it's muksa. That's Rav Yudol's. But muksa machlas iser, that there was a candle lit on it last lay. So Rav Yudah clearly holds a muksa machmas iser. Muksa because it was burning. Why? Because it was lit on Shabbos. Then I'll pick it up from here.